It's a damn shame, niggas scared to step up. GIB, we up to bat, yeah, we next up. So shut the fuck up. Who the fuck is in talent? DL niggas, below tossing salad, complete faggots. Good grief, y'all niggas weak, you little pip squeaks. And Dapper Dan, you was screaming peace, begging and pleading, saying you didn't want no beef. But you was side talking, that's what I call slack. Begging one day, then the next talking behind our back. Sounds like a bitch to me, I do it swiftly. All over and heal you niggas, killing you softly. And say that you're obese, and I'm not mistaken. The back of your neck look like cooked bacon. I whip it up, then flip it up, then make you wake it up. Can't get enough, you niggas suck. Damn, Ace, you're so rough. How to lose weight? It's an easy mixture, but you'll never see your weight go down, fat bitch. Just like we'll never see Sammy's real picture. So it's blood in, blood out. You niggas fool. If you ain't flamed in red, then nigga fuck you.